Hey y'all, hey guys, I'm back. I am back, and I'm excited about today's conversation because I'm going to be talking to you about the Shopify $1 trial. Are you skeptical? Do you think it's fake? Like, there's no way Shopify could be giving you guys $1 a month offer. It used to be what, $29 a month? You're literally saving over $60 because this trial goes for 3 months. Yes, you heard me correctly. $1 each month for 3 months. You'll be able to open up your Shopify store and be able to generate some extra income. I'm going to put the link below in the description so you guys are able to click that link for yourself and create your own account. I'm going to walk you through how to create your account and show you that, yes, this is real. So let's get right into it. Let me be able to see your Shopify page that look like this. It says, bring your ideas to life for $1. The future of business is yours to share. Sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 on selected plans. Okay, it's on their basic plan. Their basic plan is a $29 plan, and you're going to be able to create an account, open up your store. So if you want to start a drop shipping business, you want to start a print on demand business, or just sell overall any products that you want, you're going to be able to do that within the 3 months of this trial. So don't forget to click the link below and sign up today. Now let's just get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and create an account. I'm going to go ahead and click on start trial. Once you click on start trial, it's going to ask you a series of questions. Now, you want to answer these questions, especially if you're brand new in business, because this is going to literally help you set up your Shopify store. Okay, so if you're brand new, you want to answer these questions. Now, the first question said, let's get started. Which of these describe you best? I'm going to go ahead and put, I'm just starting. Okay, if you're brand new, just starting, that's the option that you want to go ahead and pick. Then I'm going to go ahead and put next. Okay. Once I put next, then it's going to ask me another question. Where would you like to sell? I'm going to just keep it to online store just for now and then go ahead and put next. Then it says, do you want to sell products through dropshipping? I'm going to go ahead and put yes. And depends on your answer, they're going to give you some suggestion of suppliers within Shopify. If you put no, you're not sure, they're going to give you a different option. But if you're definitely going to be doing dropshipping on Shopify, just put yes. So Shopify could set up your store with some dropshipping companies that they're going to make suggestion for you. Now it says, do you have an online audience already? You could put yes or no. This question really doesn't affect your account that much. Then the next thing you want to do is, where do you have an existing audience? This question doesn't really affect your account too much. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and put Facebook. I have Instagram, and those are the main accounts that I actually have an audience. So make sure you guys follow our Instagram and our Facebook at theecombuilder.com. Now, I said approximately, right, how many followers do you have? Now, we have between 1,000, 10,000 followers on the platform. So I'm going to go ahead and answer that question. Now, just remember, some of these questions won't really affect your Shopify store too much, but it's really good to have an understanding of what you want to do. I'm going to put the beauty space just for now. Go next. Then it's going to be like, what is your store name? What do you want to name your store? I'm just going to go ahead and create a random store name. It's really important, though, when you're creating your name for your dropshipping store or your business, try not to make it too long. I'm just going to put Beauty World 23 or something like that, okay? But try to make sure you get very creative with your name for your store. And then I'm going to click next. Are you in the United States? Absolutely. I mean, you could literally sell anywhere within Shopify. So these are all these regions that Shopify do allow you to sell right now. Okay. So I'm going to keep it in the USA because I'm in the USA. And the next thing is going to ask, because I already have an account with Shopify, so it's going to literally allow me to create another store. It's building my store. While it's building, just give it a few minutes. And if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and subscribe now and put the bell on to always so you get new episodes for you guys to be able to watch. Go ahead and subscribe, and you guys will be able to see when we drop new videos. Okay, now look at this. It literally tells you right here, build your dream business at your own pace. Enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1. Okay, so you see that it's not a scam. It is actually real that Shopify is offering this $1 try. Again, right here in the corner, it says your trial just started. Enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 when you sign up for a monthly basic plan. You literally have the same back office within Shopify, just like if I were to sign up and pay that $29 plan that they have. Now let's look at it where it says pick a plan. I just want to show you guys real quick the Shopify plans that they do have. Again, basic Shopify for $1. If you notice, they crossed out the $29. So this is legit. This is real. You can sign up for Shopify right now for $1 for the first 3 months of being in business. I think that's phenomenal. You're saving literally over $60. Okay. Now you see they got a $79 plan and $299 plan. If you're just starting out on Shopify, all you have to do is start out with the basic plan. That's how you open up your Shopify account for that $1 trial. Once again, the link is below in the comments where you can literally click and sign up for Shopify for $1 for 3 months. So click that link and sign up. I'm also going to put a free checklist to let you know, hey, what should I do next on Shopify that I have my account open? That link will be right there in the bottom. And stay tuned for more videos that's coming. I'm going to do more videos on vendors that you can use within Shopify and give you guys different marketing strategies that you can use within Shopify. So please like, subscribe, and put the bell on. And don't forget to share. See you next time.